It's Tuesday, January 6th. Hard for me to say with my fake tooth in this retainer. And I understand, I just want to clarify. I understand that some of my clients and some of my followers have been concerned that there might be something wrong with me because I haven't been wearing red lipstick, which I love. Red, orange, you know, I like a bold lipstick. And I have not had on a bold lipstick. However, I do have on lipstick, but it's very pale. And I'll tell you why. Because if I wear the red, you know how lipstick gets on your teeth? Well, it doesn't get on my teeth. It gets on this plastic retainer and it sticks in between and it's hard to get it off. So I'm like, do I just wear shiny gloss and go for it and not look as magnanimous as I could with red lips? Or do I go red lips and then have to clean it off? So maybe I'll try the red lips. What I really need is like a stain that will stain and not come off on my teeth. I wonder if that exists. Anyway, maybe I need to invent that. Who knew? Anyway, I'm fine. Miss my red lips, but it'll be a while, I think, before I can really go after it again. But maybe I'll try. All right. That was that. More information than you needed, right? Mitten. All right. Ray is starting her new knit along on next Tuesday, February 13th, for the next 4 weeks. On Tuesdays from 1 to 2:30, and she's doing the Stockholm Slipover by Petite Knits, and this is it. Vests are hot this winter, spring, winter, whatever. So this is a vest, and it has a V-neck on this design, but there is also a Stockholm Slipover with a crew neck, so you can have either the crew neck or the V-neck. So one of her star, not pupils because she's not a pupil, but she's a member of the Avid Knit Along group is Angie, and Angie offered to loan me her already practically finished Stockholm Slipover because she started it a week early, and this is how far done she is. Amazing. But how cute is this? She just has to add the ribbing here and the ribbing around the neck. It's really, really cute. Very simple, nice big armholes. Just very cool. And it calls for a worsted weight. So what Angie is doing hers in is the Barocco Ultra Alpaca, which is beautiful. She picked a tweed. She has the lighter color tweed. This is a little bit darker tweed. We also have it in natural, kind of a doe color, dove brown, and a little bit darker tan, and a cream. So that would be beautiful. You want cream. That's one option. There are many options. You could do it in Rios. Rios there, Rios there. That would work perfectly. You could mix together a DK weight and a mohair and give it some fuzz and nap and texture. Or we just got in a restock of the Ella Ray Cozy Alpaca, which is so squeezy, scrumptious, soft. It is 70% acrylic and 30% alpaca, and it would take 4.5 skeins of this. It is $17.50 a skein. I didn't tell you how much this is. This is $19 a skein, and I think it would take 4 skeins of this as well. So I have several colors in the Cozy Alpaca. I have this beautiful ecru. I have turquoise. I have this yummy red. Gorgeous. Everybody loves a pink, right? That would be pretty as transitional into spring, maybe. Nice. Lovely blue. Excellent. A mauve. This would be Chrissy's choice. Mauve. And rusty gold, not rust, goldy brown. That's pretty. Kind of like my sweater. Silver gray. Beautiful. And white or off-white. These are $17.50 a skein. So 4.5 skeins of that Lots and lots of other choices. So come in if you're interested. And how much is the pattern? Is it $9? $9. Okay, it's a $9 pattern plus the purchase of the yarn, and you can sit and knit with Ray and all the gang. She has such a loyal group of knitting along people. Remember, there's also Ashley does a crochet along on Thursday morning. She's starting the pixel scarf, so I can talk about that later. But anyway, what else do I need to tell you? We are sending out tonight a class schedule. I'm sure it's going out tonight. And what else do I need to tell you? Super Bowl Sunday. Yay. Chrissy has a gnome class Sunday, so you'll see that. She doesn't care about watching football, but I will be watching football. Anyway, I'm teasing. All right, I think that's all I have. Again, don't worry about my lipstick. I'm going to try and find a stain that won't come off on this very special mouth guard that I have to wear until May. All right, making the best of it. I'll talk to you tomorrow.